In this expression, we have 3 divisions, and when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division. 7 divided by 7 is just 1. So 1 divided by 7 and again divided by 7. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 7 can be written as 1 over 7, then divided by 7. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we have 1 over 7 times 1 over 7, which equals 1 over 7 times 7 gives us 49. So 1 over 49. And this is our final answer to this problem.